Bibliography Search tutorial. Select the Bibliography Search function from the top menu. You will have the option to search for references by using either sentences, phrases, or keywords, or the author's name. For this example, we will select and copy an entire sentence into the search box. Once you're given results, you will see the authors and title of the paper. If you want more information on the paper before citing it, click the DOI link to open the journal page. If you want to cite the paper, just type the reference into your text, then click on the copy text icon next to the bibliography result. Position this in your References section and click Paste. You will then see the reference in APA style. You can continue searching by, for example, using the author's name. You can also use keywords to search.